The Magstim Company Limited designs, develops, and markets medical devices for use in operating rooms and neuroscience research laboratories. 3 Hänel Lean-Lifts are installed in a bright and neat warehouse, fully integrated in the efficient and precise processes followed by Magstim. The MP12 end controller, together with the MP100D central control system, ensures that employees can quickly locate stored items via computer. Both parts and finished components are kept in the storage systems. The Hänel Lean-Lifts provide a safe environment for storing sensitive items. Requested items are delivered to the ergonomic access point. Error-free retrieval is supported with Hänel Pick-to-Light along with compartment and sublevel indicators. A second access point on one of the lifts connects the warehouse with a secure shipping area. Dual storage is also unnecessary because the products are kept centrally in only one Hänel Lean-Lift. A fourth lift in the workshop serves as a universal storage depot for administration, electronic spare parts, and technical drawings. Passwords are allocated to authorized employees who have been granted access to specific system containers. Magstim had been very satisfied with Hänel solutions in the past, which is why the company invested in more Hänel technology to make processes even more efficient, while also optimizing the work experience for employees.